Who has always been the problem of Mssn? They are Tijaniyyas. Yes, they are Izalas. I think some people will not be okay with what I want to say here. You'll find it sad, you'll find it bad that I'm speaking it up. Yes, regarding the issue of Mssn, Mssn, Izala, and Salafis, why has it caused a lot of trouble or problem in most of our campuses now? This issue has actually been coming from a long time. It is not just starting. Yes, it was just looking for the best time or the best moment for it to like come out, and it's become a centered topic that everybody are talking about. But what I just see there is we Muslims, we are the cause of our problem. Yes, already even in the country, as a Muslim, we are fighting a tough battle with our counterparts, with other faithfuls. Yes, the Christians, I will mention them. They are actually finding a lot of Muslims to be bad. They labeled us. If you look at it, they labeled us that all Muslims are terrorists. They believe that we are the one terrorizing the country. Now tell me, if we Muslim within ourselves, we are actually fighting ourselves, for what exactly? Is it for our hero? Definitely we are fighting for position. And like I said, this issue has actually been coming for a long period of time, just that it was looking for the best moment to come out. And who are the people, or which of the sect is actually bringing up this problem? Who has always been the problem of Mssn? They are Tijaniyyas. Yes, they are Izalas. Just know that the problem of Mssn today, they are Salafis. You have to believe that, because can you just tell me why we are ordered to practice the Quran and the Sunnah, and at the end of the day, we are trying to bring more problem to ourselves? Yes, we have to resolve internal issues even before fighting the outer ones that has been thrown to us as a Muslim. If a Salafi should cause a problem today, the other faithfuls, they will not label that individual that a Salaf Muslim terrorized this place. Who will they say? They will say a Muslim unalive this social person, even if it was not a Muslim. Or they will not say a Tijaniyya Muslim unalive or cause this atrocity in this particular area. They will say a group of Muslim members are the one terrorizing the society. That is why I said the major problem of Mssn today is that they are the Salafia, the Tijaniyya, the Izalas, because this fight is actually between the three sects. These three sects. Why are they fighting? The Tijaniyyas are fighting that they don't have a larger shares, they don't have the major stakeholders, they don't have the major positions when it comes to the rulings of Mssn. They are sidelined because of their sect activities. Yes, Tijaniyyas believed in wazifa, zikr, and the likes, but a Salafi doesn't practice that, and they will not even want a Tijaniyya to practice that their activities in the campus. Now I will ask you, where is the fairness? Where is the justice? As a Muslim, our number one thing is for us to believe in faith, believe in the Quran, and believe in the Sunnah. In as far as your next Muslim closer to you practice Quran or Sunnah, then what else is remaining? To the extent that you will see a Salaf Muslim, he will tell you that he can never pray behind a Tijaniyya leader. That is wrong. Or you will see a Tijaniyya leader who will tell you he can never pray behind an Izala brother. Then who do we now want to pray behind? Is it the Christians? Is it the unbelievers we want to now pray behind? That you will see some. I've been to a masjid where we are supposed to make a suhuf. Yes, to place our fingers to fingers, stand by side. I saw a brother. A brother was moving far away from me. I was scared. Am I carrying on a plague? Am I carrying on a lupus that this person is staying away from me? This is a Muslim brother stigmatizing me. So this problem, I think it's becoming too much, and it shouldn't look as if we are the major problem of this country. Muslims are known to be peaceful. As we all know, Islam is peace. It represents peace. I don't know the best person that can actually handle this whole situation, but I will just want to leave this note that in as much as I know, or I will say, I think there should be justice, there should be fairness. In MSSN should cut across all sects, not just even the Tijaniyya, the Izala, or the Salafi. It should cut across all the sects if we want to practice or maintain the justice there, the fairness there, and the equity. Everybody should be allowed to practice whatever they want to practice, in as far as I am not disturbing you. Yes, Tijaniyyas have their time schedule for their wazifa. You as a Tijaniyya, you cannot bring that activity during the time for Salah. Okay, it is time for Salah now. You use that activity to destroy or to disturb. I would say to disturb others that doesn't believe in it. When prayers become a disturbance, I don't know, from my own knowledge, I just think that prayer might not even be answered, because you can't be praying, you'll be reciting Quran so loud that, or you be praying, you'll be listening to Quran that it is disturbing the next neighbor. Definitely, I don't know where it is allowed to do such. So everybody should be should have the access, should have the ability to practice whatever they want to practice under the umbrella of MSSN. MSSN stands and represents Muslim Student Society. In as far as you are a Muslim, depending on whatever sect you belong to, what is holding us, what is enshrouding us is MSSN, and all of us are part of MSSN. So no one should be left behind because they practice one sect or the other. A Tijaniyya can become an Amir of an MSSN. A Salaf can become an Amir of an MSSN. So please, let us play with justice, fairness, and equity. I am not learning to say more about it, but we can adjust. Let's believe in ourselves. Let's love ourselves. Let us not make ourselves look stupid. Yes, look senseless to the other non-faithful. Then how are we now going to place ourselves to teach them to see what we do? Anyways, Wallahu alam, Allah knows the best. May Allah grant us the best and uplift MSSN. Assalamu alaikum.